Now after putting our clothes and detergent, we can simply hit the start option here. We have to confirm here as well. Start. That's all. Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from Device Bar. In this video, we will see how to connect our Samsung front load washing machine to the SmartThings app. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. This procedure should work fine for all the compatible Samsung front load washing machines or even some top load washing machines with the Wi-Fi and SmartThings feature. We just have to install this SmartThings app on our smartphone. This is available for both Android and iOS device like iPhone. We need two things before we proceed further: an active Samsung account and an active Wi-Fi connection. After installing the SmartThings app, we have to use our Samsung account to log in first. Then the app will look like this. We already configured our Samsung Smart TV to this app. We can see our TV icon here. We have that link in the description. We can select this My Room to add our desired location like hall, kitchen, storeroom, etc. Then we just have to select this plus icon at the top. We have to go to devices section here, then select this plus icon, and now Samsung devices, we have to choose this add option, and here they have the list of compatible Samsung devices. Here we have to go to washer or washing machine. Here we have washer, we just have to select this. We can allow the SmartThings app to use the camera. Now the most simple way is to scan this QR code on the front of our Samsung front load washing machine. Suppose if this QR code is not visible or if the sticker is gone, then we can choose add without QR code. We have to enable our Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on our smartphone, and it will search for compatible Samsung washing machines with Wi-Fi. Here we can see our Samsung washing machine. We can select that, or we can choose can't find your device and follow the instructions here. We can follow these instructions and Samsung will guide us. We have to switch on our washing machine before doing all this. We can also check if the Wi-Fi option is enabled on our washing machine. For this model, we have to touch and hold this hand icon for a few seconds. We can see this hand icon here. Touch and hold this, and we will get this interface. Here we can go and see the Wi-Fi here. It is right now turned on. So we just have to select washer on the SmartThings app, and we can scan this QR code. It will look like this sticker. So go to that code and scan this verifying code. Okay, it is getting started. Connecting to device. Now we have to log into our Samsung account again. So we already connected the washing machine to the SmartThings app, and we are doing this again. So we are getting this. I just have to choose make me the owner, and we have to press the smart control button, this one. Okay, account reset complete. Connecting, checking for available Wi-Fi networks. Okay, now we have to connect this to our Wi-Fi network. So make sure you are connecting this to the 2.4 GHz network. So I'll enter the password now. After entering the password, choose connect. Registering your device. Okay, confirm again. Okay, success. Now we are connected. We are getting this you are connected message. Now here we can change the icon, location, room name and device name, and we can choose done. After that, downloading plugin. Okay, so this is the interface. We have all these options. We can go back and go to devices, and here we can see our washing machine. We just have to select that, and we will get all these options. So we can change the cycle here. We have all these options, and we can change the temperature. We can change the rinse time. and we can change the spin level. We can change the RPM here. So we have turned on the washing machine and we have added the clothes and also some liquid detergent. Now we are going to use our SmartThings app to activate this. I'm going to choose super speed for this and I'm going to change the RPM level to 800 and I'm going to choose send to washer. Setting send to washer. To start the cycle, tap the start button on your washer. We can see the preparing message here. We will get all the updates on the app itself. Here it says sensing the load, the exact washing time is being calculated. So for each and every step we will get update like this. So now it says 34 minutes left. We can see the progress here. So we will get this notification saying cycle complete. If we want to control everything using our smartphone, then we have to enable smart control option here. Right now it is off. We can select this to read more about this. But I don't think this is going to be enabled all the time. We have to manually activate this now and then. When we put the clothes and detergent, we can do this as well. To enable this, we have to press this smart control icon once. That's all. Now instead of send to washer, we are getting this start option. We can also go to extra care and choose this stay connect option. Now after putting our clothes and detergent, we can simply hit the start option here. We have to confirm here as well. Start. That's all. Preparing and it will start the process. I hope they add more features in the future though. So these are the steps to connect our Samsung front load washing machine to the SmartThings app. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.